Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. So, had to go get welding gas today. I used 75% argon, 25% CO2. Pretty common. That's not the label, but anyway. So I had one bottle that was empty, and of course you know how it is. If you do any welding at all, you always run out at the worst time. So I decided I was going to get another bottle. Now, the last time I bought gas was 3 months ago, and it was $87, and that's an exchange, bottle exchange through air gas. I prefer going to air gas. That's just personal preference, and it's the closest welding supply store to me. And like I said, you run out at the worst time, so it was time to get another bottle. Now, these are I don't know how many pound or whatever, how they rate them. These are like 3 feet tall. They're just laying on their side because we unloaded them out of the car and I didn't feel like dealing with them. It's been a long day. So, anyway, so exchanging one bottle was $115, so you're essentially getting the gas. Like I said, last time was 87, and then to get a new bottle was $215 plus 25 for with the gas, something like that. So, anyways, $390 after tax for 2 of these bottles. This stuff sure has gone up. It's like everything else. I mean, groceries. I'm here in Washington State. We got the highest gas prices for gasoline in the country. Groceries are high. Everything's gone up super high since the plague came through a couple years ago. But $115 for a bottle of welding gas. It's just kind of getting crazy. So at least with two, if I run out again, I'll be able to, connect back up and keep welding, and I'll always be able to keep one bottle full. For me, the welding supply store is over an hour away, so it's not really in a convenient place to go. But $390 for shielding gas, that's kind of a hit. And I don't like running flux core wire. That's just a personal preference. My machine will do either flux core or you can use gas. I run the Harbor Freight machine, the green one. I've done a video on that in the past. Excellent machine. So, yeah, put down in the comments what you're paying for welding gas. If you filled a bottle up recently or swapped one out, or however they do it where you go. I'm just curious to see if we're getting really gouged here where I'm at, or if it's just high across the board. Now, I did try to, excuse the mess, I did try to switch over to CO2. I got the big guy here that came with another welder that I have. I can't weld with CO2. It just didn't cooperate for me. I don't know if it's the wire, if it was me, or if it's the machine. But it just didn't work out. It's the same regulator on my machine. I just had to buy this adapter. Didn't like it, and I was told when I bought the adapter that CO2 will weld hotter and with a lot more spatter. So, but I just couldn't get it to cooperate for I was trying to weld sheet metal, and that might be it. Maybe it's fine on thicker steel, but, if you know anything about welding with CO2, put it down in the comments. I'd like to get some more information. I've watched a couple videos, but they're not very informative. It's like $30, $35 to fill this tall bottle. So, that's a hell of a lot cheaper than filling them other ones. But anyway, guys, that's enough out of me. I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. It's like 7:30 at night. Been in the shop all day, and you know. So anyway, welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you to everybody for supporting the channel by watching the videos. Questions, comments, always leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Please like, share, subscribe if you're not. But all that stuff is free. Doesn't cost you a penny. Really helps out the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay greasy, my friends.